sofa, finger, enter, carpet, walking, comment, oven, station, often, father, jacket, after, second, uncle, children, lucky, delete, rotate, below, acquit, involve, relate, design, adapt, resolver, control, massage, survive, advance, advice, arrive, receive, reduction, companion, unlawful, adjustment, ferocious, arrangement, detective, appliance, conclusion, affected, audition, ambiguous, discover, assemble, acceptance. My tooth's driving me crazy. Then you forgot to make an appointment with the dentist. I forgot to find on first. I don't have a dentist. I have to go downtown. Come on, let's go to my dentist. I can't. I have to study. I'm gonna go to the dentist after that. That tooth has to be taken care of. I know it has to be taken care of. I've got to get some gas. Then I'm gonna go to the dentist. Well, no, after that, I have to go to the bank. Okay, but after you go to the bank, you forgot to go to the dentist.